Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find where the door locks, also known as power locks, fuses and relays, are located on GMC Sierra, guys, generation from 2014 to 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find them. And by the way guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So for the door locks, also known as power locks, we need to check multiple fuses and relays, and we'll be working in hidden fuse boxes guys, but quick advice, most owners do not know where all these hidden fuse boxes are located. That's why guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel, check it out. It's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. It's a video people told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. What we first need to do, open the driver door, and on the side of the dash here you see, okay, that cover of the dash is removable. You can remove that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here we'll need to check specifically, okay, you don't have one fuse specifically dedicated for central locking. You need to check the door module fuses and the BCM fuses, because those functions are integrated in these two components guys. So what we first need to do, we need to check fuse number 40, okay, fuse number 40 guys, for the door module on the left side. So fuse number 40 will be that one right here. That's what we need to check. Then we need to check BCM module fuses guys, and we're talking about fuse number 6 and 7 right here. Check these fuses. You need to check fuse number 17 right here, and you need to also fuse guys check fuse number 27 here as well. Next you need to open the passenger door, and on the side of the dash you have the same cover that you need to go ahead and remove here. Right open, behind it you're going to find very similar fuse box, and here we need to guys check specifically fuse number 42 right there, and then we need to locate fuse, let me show you now, fuse number 7 and 8 right here, 7 and 8, very important fuses. Then we need to check fuse number 28, will be right here, and you need to check fuse number 45 and 46. All these fuses will need to be checked guys for the central locking, also known as power locks or door locks. If a door does not lock, we'll have a video on the channel that will explain what else you need to check, but most likely is a bad door lock actuator. And if you want to see the videos about that, symptoms of bad door lock actuator or how to replace door lock actuator, multiple videos will be on our channels guys, check it out. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend, guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.